Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss the pricing of bill of quantities part 2. 1. Roofing. 2. Carpentry and joinery. 3. Metalwork. 4. Finishes. 5. Painting. 6. Services. 7. External works. 8. Day works. 9. Soil investigation. 1. Roofing. The process of roofing involves the preparation of the surface to receive the waterproofing system. Cleaning the surface thoroughly is required as any dust left behind may be an obstacle to the sealer in joining the surface. Any cracks and holes are to be sealed with silicone caulking that tends to damage the concrete. Close the seams covered with seam tape. Silicone caulk takes 12 hours to dry before being exposed to moisture conditions. Level the surface of 100 mm to 50 mm thick lightweight concrete or cement and sand 1/3 screed as specified. Apply 1 to 2 coats of liquid waterproofing membrane as a primer coat. A 4 mm thick torch applied or a self-adhesive waterproofing membrane with 10 mm overlapping lay over the primer coat. 1000 gauge polythene sheet is laid over the waterproofing membrane for protection of the membrane. 50 mm thick extruded polystyrene insulation boards are placed over the polythene membrane and 100 mm to 50 mm thick cement and sand screed are laid to slope finally. Complete the preparation of the surface and all other waterproofing tasks of 185 meter square takes 1 day for 4 skilled crews. On the parapet wall, 300 mm high skirting is formed by applying 1 or 2 coats of primer and a 4 mm thick waterproofing membrane with 100 mm overlapping. Chase a 15 mm deep reglet into the wall and embed the waterproofing membrane covered on top with aluminium flashing applied with silicone sealer. Flashing is to be 100 mm minimum overlapping and with a 100 mm minimum gap between the bottom of the flashing and the finishing level of the floor. 50 mm by 50 mm minimum size mineral fibre angle fillet is to be placed under the membrane between the floor and the wall edge. The plasterwork of the parapet is to be finished with a stainless steel angle bead plaster top above the groove of the flashing on the wall. A skilled crew of 4 numbers can complete the skirting 150 meter in 1 day. Water testing is to be carried out to check any water ingress into the building. After closing all drain outlets, the complete surface of the waterproofing area is to be filled with a 100 mm high minimum water level and let for 1 day to mark any leaking points and drain out water after the test. If the area is clear of any leaking, next procedure is to lay 50 mm thick extruded polystyrene insulation boards and finish complete with 100 mm to 50 mm thick cement and sand 1/3 feet to laid slope towards drain outlet. A. Rate to include for roofing flat surface equal cleaning and preparation for surface plus 100 mm to 50 mm thick lightweight concrete or 100 mm to 50 mm thick cement and sand 1:3 feet as specified plus primer coat plus 4 mm thick waterproofing torch apply or self-adhesive membrane plus 1000 gauge polythene sheet plus 50 mm extruded polystyrene insulation board plus 100 mm to 50 mm thick cement and sand 1:3 screed laid to slope plus labor for laying waterproofing membrane. Rate to include for water testing. Example: cost of waterproofing on a flat roof with 4 mm waterproofing membrane torch applied on 100 mm thick lightweight concrete base per 1 meter square. Allow for the cost of surface preparation equals cost of caulk, sealer and seam tape required for 185 meter square surface area. Cost of lightweight concrete 100 mm thick equals 185 meter square into 0.10 into cost of 1 cubic meter of lightweight concrete. The cost of the 2 coats of the primer coat of waterproofing membrane covering 200 gram per meter square equals 185 meter square into cost of 1 meter square of the primer coat of waterproofing membrane. Cost of 4 mm thick torch applied waterproofing membrane equals 185 meter squares into cost of 1 meter square of torch applied waterproofing membrane. Cost of 1000 gauge polythene membrane equal 185 meter squares into cost of 1 meter square of polythene membrane. Cost of 50 mm thick extruded polystyrene insulation board equal 185 meter squares into cost of 1 meter square of polystyrene insulation board. Cost of 100 mm thick cement and sand 1:3 mixed screed laid to slope equal 185 meter squares into 0.10 into cost of 1 cubic meter of screed plus 185 meter squares into 0.10 into cost of mixing 1 meter cube of screed. Cost of labor for 185 meter square of waterproofing system equals cost of 4 number screws. Therefore, the cost for the waterproofing system per 1 meter square equals cost of caulk and seam tapes plus cost of lightweight concrete plus cost of primer coat plus cost of 4 mm thick torch applied waterproofing membrane plus cost of polythene membrane plus cost of insulation boards plus cost of 100 mm thick screed plus cost of labor plus allow for water for testing. Upstand skirting waterproofing. B. Rate to include for upstand on parapet per 1 meter equals cleaning and preparation for surface plus primer coat plus 4 mm thick waterproofing torch applied or self-adhesive membrane plus 50 mm by 50 mm minimum size bitumen angle fillet plus aluminium flashing plus stainless steel angle bead plaster stock plus silicone sealer plus labor for forming reglet, cutting, flashing, laying waterproofing membrane and fixing plaster bead. Example: cost of waterproofing on 300 mm high skirting with 4 mm waterproofing membrane torch applied per 1 meter. Allow for the cost of surface preparation equals cost of caulk, sealer and seam tapes required for 150 meter surface length. The cost of the 2 coats of the primer coat of waterproofing membrane coverage 200 grams per meter square equals 150 meter into 0.30 meter equals 45 meter square into cost of 1 meter square of primer coat of waterproofing membrane. Cost of 4 mm thick torch applied waterproofing membrane equals 150 meter into 0.30 into cost of 1 meter square of torch applied waterproofing membrane. Cost of 0.6096 mm minimum thick into 215 mm wide aluminium flashing equals 150 meter into 0.30 meter into cost of 1 meter square of aluminium flashing. Cost of stainless steel angle bead plaster stock equals 150 meter into cost of 1 meter of stainless steel angle bead plaster stock. Cost of 50 mm by 50 mm mineral fiber angle fillet equals 150 meter into cost of 1 meter of angle fillet. Cost of labor for 300 mm high into 150 meter long skirting waterproofing system equals cost of 4 number crews per day. Therefore, the cost for the waterproofing system per 1 meter of skirting equals cost of caulk sealer and seam tape plus cost of primer coat plus cost of 4 mm thick torch applied waterproof membrane plus cost of aluminium flashing plus cost of stainless steel plaster stock plus cost of 50 mm into 50 mm angle fillet plus cost of labor divided by 150 meter. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the pricing of bill of quantities part 2. I will be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the field's necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something from this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to receive my upcoming videos and share with others too.